Would you daily a 657 horsepower SUV that outdrags a Huracan? Meet the Lamborghini Urus Performante, carbon fiber bonnet, rally mode thrills, and a supercar heart in an SUV body. Slide into the Alcantara-trimmed sport seats, deep bolsters, hex stitch accents, and integrated headrests. 5-passenger comfort meets supercar grit thanks to adaptive air ride smoothing every bump. Under the bonnet, 4-litre twin-turbo V8, 657 horses, and 850 Newton-meters. Launch control fires you to 60 in 3.3 seconds, and the new torque splitter lets you drift gravel in rally mode. 600-litre boot included. Verdict: SUV practicality, supercar pace, supercar price. Are you flexing in the Performant or chilling in the S? Bandits, Urus S or Performante? Drop your emoji vote below.